Hi everyone, I'm Jordan, one of the customer success managers here at GoLinks, and today I wanted to talk about one of our newest features, QR codes. So you can download QR codes for any existing GoLink. The really great thing about QR codes is that you can hang them around the office. You can also put them in presentations so that way users can, have GoLinks on their phone whenever they want. If you are on the dashboard, there's a couple of different places you can download a QR code. Right here next to the name on the left-hand side, you can see the little icon for the QR code. Also, to the right-hand side, you see another section for a QR code, as well as these three little dots. You can scroll down here to view the QR code as well. A couple of things to note when downloading the QR code is that if you want to turn the GoLink name details off, you can go ahead and flip those on and off if you want a cleaner look. You can also download to a couple of different file types. You can do PNG, JPG, or SVG, whatever your preference is. Once you do that, you can go ahead and hit the download code, and then it will look like this and ready to be printed for your company. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out.